As the name implies, 2 burners, 2 Cook 2 Pro. We've been using it for about 2 months now. I'll show you around quickly and see if it's worth the money. Let's have a look. What you really want from an appliance is ease of use and then reliability, in that order. This has both. Ease of use, starts first time every time. The button is a little bit fiddly, you have to hold your fingers there to give some pressure for your thumb, otherwise it moves. It has 2, what are these called actually? Grids or something to put your kettle on. They're pretty well done with a little bit of rubber on the bottom so they don't scratch your surfaces. It comes with 2 of these. This is a griddle plate, Cadac, which is nice, very well sorted. Little legs with rubberized. This probably spreads the heat. This one we haven't really used that much, great for little toasts, but what we mostly use is this one. It's also very solid, rubberized. This we use for anything from, you can cook an egg on it, you can put some toast on there. Mostly we do our toast on here, not on one side but on both sides. It's also big enough for a wrap, like a burrito or a taco, one of those boxes. Works perfectly and it heats up very quickly, it keeps its heat as well. So you get 4 of these things, 2 of these heavy duty grids, 2 of these for your pots and pans. It comes in a nice little case which closes up nicely, packs away quite compactly. We've put it in here, it fits in there nicely. What I do enjoy is this little thing here. It's probably not unique to Cadac, but it makes it really easy to stash away. Grab your gas line, click it in and you're done. So it does have a high and a low setting, which is quite a big difference visually. But in practice, when you're making a curry or you're doing a stew which needs to simmer for a bit, like an hour or 2, what we found is this actually works really well. You switch it on with this on top and your pan on here. That kind of diffuses the heat and it keeps your little simmering stew a lot more controllable, let's put it that way. So the heat is less, because if it's in direct heat with the flame, it gets very hot and it probably burns the bottom of your pot. We don't want that.
No, because we don't have a dishwasher.
Well, the dishwasher's behind the camera. That's such an old joke. I don't know if I can get away with it. We'll see if I'm still alive after this.
It was lovely knowing you.
Anyway, bad jokes aside, this cost about, sorry for all the noise, we're on a campsite, there's a busy road behind us. Is it worth it? Yeah, this was about 100 euros. You think that's a lot of money for a gas burner, but you get a whole lot of stuff with it. Easy hookup, swivelable thing. It works first time every time. It's very reliable so far. We've used this for like 2 months solid every day. Multiple teas, all our dinners, all our lunches, everything on here. And I would say I'd give it a thumbs up. So let us know down below if you have owned one of these, if you've used it. What are your experiences as well? Really cool stuff. Yeah, go out and have a look at it, man. It's a good option. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this has been informative at the least. Keep rolling, catch you on the next one.